Joe's company had been on the Piecework system a whole month now, and things were going smoothly until Wednesday afternoon when he got a call from Mrs. Smith. "Joe, I don't know what's happening with your guys. They were in and out of here in 11 minutes. Joe got a sinking feeling. "Have you looked at the job they did? Did you find anything out of place or poorly done?" "Well, no, I just can't believe it. They should take longer." Joe's confidence came right back. "Well, Mrs. Smith, I appreciate you calling me, and I want you to know that the crews might get faster, but our quality won't change." Joe decided right there to have a meeting with everyone to discuss this potential issue. "I want to talk about quality. I'm excited about our productivity, but I don't want to lose track of doing the job well. Here are some new procedures we're adding today. First, I'm going to be spot checking this week to make sure we're staying up to par. Also, if a customer has a legitimate complaint, the person responsible will have to fix it without extra pay. It was part of the job originally, so you already got paid for it. And last, I'm setting up these envelopes with $5 bills for each person. If you get a complaint, one will be removed. If you get a compliment, one will be added. At the end of the month, anything left is yours to keep." "Well, we understand that if we don't have high quality, we'll lose that customer and make less. This will help us stay motivated to keep our standards high." Joe liked where this was going. They were starting to see the big picture. The next day, Joe started spot checking the quality. This is so much easier to check than trying to motivate the guys to work faster. As he drove through a neighborhood, he saw one of Fred's crews, the other lawn care company that stayed on hourly. He decided to do a little spying and see how they worked. There were 3 guys in the truck. They parked, and nothing happened. Finally, the guys got out. They were pretty engaged in a critique of the last sawn. 4 minutes passed before they actually started working. Slow and steady was their mantra. They took their time, walking back to the truck whenever they forgot something. A cold drink, the trimming wire, more gas for the blower. You get the picture. As a business owner, it was almost painful to watch. A full 38 minutes had gone by when they were finally in the truck and on to the next job. 1 block up, Luke and Pedro were just arriving at their job. Almost before the truck was in park, Pedro jumped out. A moment later, Luke was taking his mower down and disappearing behind the house. In the front, Pedro was careful to keep the clippings away from sidewalks and flower beds so they wouldn't need to use a blower. Luke finished first and grabbed the gas can to top off the equipment. Both of them walked to the cab at the same time. No sooner had they gotten in than the truck pulled away from the curb and on to the next job. Joe checked his watch. 11 minutes flat. Not bad. It looked like a well-choreographed dance. As Joe thought about it, he started to feel bad for Fred's company. There was no way he could pay his employees very much. He can't charge his customers a lot because the market won't bear it, and his company can't have much profit because most of it will be eaten in labor costs. On the other hand, his own price to the customer can be better because his guys get more work done. His employees can make more money because they do 40 to 45 jobs a day, and his company will be more profitable because of the extreme productivity. Why not have a win for the customer, a win for the employees, and a win for the company? He'd have to tell Fred about how things were panning out. In the meantime, he'd go home early because there really wasn't anything else for him to do.